Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the SAR value comparison between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. So starting with the first phone, which is a Realme X1 Max. Let's see friends what kind of SAR value the Realme X1 Max has got, because a lot of users that did ask me this kind of question, that which is the best and which has got lowest values. So that's what I'm going to exactly show you right now. So you can actually find the SAR values for every phone. So by dialing this number, as you can see, *#07#. So as soon as you type the number in the dialer, you will get this kind of menu, as you can see, which says maximum SAR value. So which has got the head SAR value of this much, as you can see, body SAR value of 1.098 kg, as you can see. So if you do a little bit kind of a Google search, you will be able to find. So what is the level of SAR value is kind of safe. So anything below 1.6 W per kg is kind of safest value. That is what they did mention in the Google. So you can type in the Google and you can get that kind of answer, as you can see friends. So right now it's not that, I would say, not that high values in the Realme X1 Max at this moment. As you can see, it's obviously less than that 1.6 value, but let's compare side by side. So which phone has got what kind of values? So next phone is the Poco F3 GT. So this is a Poco F3 GT. I did take the screenshot as well, and this is a SAR value exactly what we got. India limit, they did mention India SAR value limit is 1.6, but it value SAR value has got 0.8 only, and the body has got 0.4, as you can see friends. Exactly, these are the SAR values for the Poco F3 GT device, exactly, as you can see. So I think when compared with other phones, slightly less values than the Realme X1 Max you do have here. And next, let's check in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. Let's see in the Oneplus Nord 2 how much is the SAR value it is of. In the Oneplus Nord 2, the SAR value is of 1.14 and 1.15. As you can see, head value and the body value, you can clearly see that. And final phone, which is a iQOO 7. So this is the iQOO 7 device. Let's see what is the iQOO 7 has got. So iQOO 7 has got 0.9 and 0.76. So these are the complete SAR values for the head and the body. You can see complete the difference. So out of this, all the values, I did feel the Poco F3 GT has got slightly lower values when you compare, as you can see, compare with other phones. And the second lowest is the iQOO 7 device. iQOO 7 has got slightly lower values, 0.97 and 0.76, as you can see friends. So make sure to dial in your, try to use the dialer and try to type *#07#. So if you try to type this number, you will be able to get that kind of SAR values as soon as possible.